Hello, hi, welcome to how-to videos, how to Blender. Now these videos are very easy, very simple. I'll show you how to do sound, animation, how to texture, how to UV map, how to color. I'll show you everything basically about a model, and what I'll do, I'll share flat templates and I'll share 3D templates. Now most of my models, they're all complete, so you can actually see the physical item of what this is. Now every item that I share, it's multiple items in one item, so I'm not just giving you this. Say, well, what is it? Now, if you look at it from a plasterer point of view, it's a float. It's basically a plastering trowel. It's not actually a plastering trowel. It's actually the front of a drawer. Now, this drawer is part of my game world. So if I go into wireframe, I'll explain my wireframe to you. And the reason why I show my wireframe is because sometimes when I upload it to a website, they tell me that my faces are back to front. Maybe it's not beveled, and things like that. I don't bevel my geometry. I don't like beveling. I don't like it. And when it comes to smoothing, I don't smooth it either. Because in the game world, it's about that big, and I don't really need to smooth it. But of course, if you want to right-click in Blender and smooth it, you can do that. So anyway, this is just me showing you. So what I'm going to do, go back into the model part. If you click on the outer edge of the drawer and pull it all the way out, extrude it, pull it all the way out, and then take the top of it and push it down on itself. That way you end up. So basically you take all the edges of the drawer at the back, all of this edge, all around it, leave that, take the edge, put it sideways, go in Blender, grab it and drag it. Go to the top of it, grab the top of it and just push it down, it turns into a drawer. It's also a fire escape for the building on the side of my block. So if you look at some of the new fire escapes, you'll see there's big steel bars that kind of stick out the wall like that, which is kind of great. And then basically it's a fire escape. Basically that's what it is. So as I said, it's also a handrail for the bathroom. It's a bath rail for the bath. So if you're in the bath and maybe you kind of grab the rail to get in the bath, it's also for that. It's a massive big pile of things. It's also like a bike thing for the side of a road. So if you take this one and put another one next to it and put it flat on the floor, you've got one here and one next to it, basically. And if you stretch the bar all the way up, you can take your push bike and park it right in the middle of it. So as I said, I do show you in the video if you want to watch it. And if you're looking for the downloads for videos, they're actually under the videos. So if you want the model, click the download it. And also Blender offers you an affiliate link. If you want to wondering where my affiliate link is, it's part of Blender. So if you want to basically become affiliate for Blender, then look at the link, go to the link if you want to. It's entirely your option, it's up to you. As I said, I'm not sending anybody anywhere, just so everyone understands that. I'm saying if you want to go and look at the link, go and look at it. If you want to become an affiliate, that's great. Take the link and follow the Blender tutorials. So it's up to you, whatever you want to do. But as I said, I'm only here to show you my models, and of course to show you links to my content. So of course, my intentions are all good, they're honest. All my videos are truthful, and I'm just making sure you're aware that what I'm talking about is exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about the 3D model and of course other things to do with the actual model or things to do with my partner. It doesn't matter who they are and it doesn't matter where they are. I'm saying if there's a link for them, I will give you a link and I will give you a link back to the company just in case you're interested in signing up, let's say to YouTube, Dailymotion, I don't know, Pinterest, Dailymotion, not Dailymotion, anyway, all the websites. So if you want to, you can just basically look under the video, look at what links are there, and if you're interested to go find more out about that particular thing, then click on it, go and find out about it. And of course, I want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to come back and watch my videos because I very much appreciate it. So anyway, watch the next part and I'll be explaining this part. I'll give you a few ideas. So anyway, stay safe, keep it friendly, kids read the text. See you soon. Bye.